Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Spocket at 2026. So actually guys, we will need at first to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a Spocket account. If not, you can sign up on thespockets.com and by going with a get started button that's located on the top right of the page. Okay, so once you click it, you will need to enter your email address and name, then just go with get started and right there enter the password, the phone number, etc. Okay, so you all need just to follow the prompts, or you can just go with your Google account from that option. So by going with continue with Google. Okay, so after creating an account, you will need to get back to your store and then just click on settings on the left hand menu. It's the last option. So right now we are going to install this Spocket on Shopify. So to do that, you will need to go and click on apps option on the left hand menu and then just go with Shopify app store. So right now we are going to be forwarded into a new page of Shopify. It's the app store of it. Okay, so you will need to look for Spocket by using the search bar. And there you go. This is the app, or this is the website. So you'll need just to click it and then go with install. Click on install again. And yeah, so right now you'll need to choose the plan. From here, Starter, Pro, Empire, Unicorn, and also you'll need to enter the credentials of your credit, debit card, or cash app pay. So you'll need to choose just from here if you want to pay using your card or the cash app pay. All right, and then just go with claim your trial, and right then it will be integrated with your Shopify. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.